Gaza's tech startup industry deeply impacted by war. Small and medium-sized businesses expect peak shopping season. Women entrepreneurs still not getting their due. And did cannabis tech startups get lucky this week in Europe? We'll find out in on-demand weekly updates by Jungleworks. Marijuana has been a lot on my mind this week, and it's not just me. Don't take me wrong, but cannabis startups all over Europe have been waiting for this one law over the Cannabis Act. With this act, Germany could become the only second EU nation to legalize the drug. So now, getting weed will be as easy as getting antibiotics. That is what Germany's cannabis startups are hoping for. However, the government hasn't made it completely legal, but kind of decriminalized it so that it can be grown more and sold more. So the startups are still very happy. According to a recent report by DHL, 800 businesses have said that they're expecting a lot from consumers, especially a lot of spike in the online shopping season. All is well if you spend well, I guess. Amazon this week announced drone deliveries of medicines. Amazon said packages will be dropped by drone within 60 minutes of being ordered via Amazon Pharmacy. It also announced that it will be bringing its drone delivery offerings to the UK and Italy by the end of 2024. And while it is a great gesture, we will have to wait and watch and see that how successful they are doing drone deliveries. If you have something to say about it, do let us know in the comments. It was Menopause Awareness Day this week, but the data is not very positive for women entrepreneurs. There is still a severe lack of support for women going through menopause in the workplace. Female business owners are also feeling the heat. It's high time companies start taking some responsibility. And there's another sad news coming from Gaza. The war is still on, and the tech industry there, which is known to be a tech hub, is losing it all. It is having a big impact on the startup ecosystem and the entrepreneurial mindset. So that was all for today. If you did like the video, do subscribe to Jungleworks and share this content. Thank you. Bye.